I'm the O. China girl, you're the squiggly line.
I want to be a heart. Can I be a heart?
Fine, you're heart. Okay, now, heart stays here. As O makes his way over here, X counters thusly. Clear so far?
Bless you.
Good work. You just sneezed away the plant.
Sorry.
Never mind. Just go over there and make some of your animal noises. I'll grab the one when she's not looking. Get out of here.